everybody. Today's Tuesday, June 3rd, and we're here at Revonah Pretzel Bakery in Hanover, and we're going to get a little mini tour about what's going on.
Well, first you guys should definitely check out everything in the store. That kind of goes over our history if you haven't.
Okay,
so
yeah.
If you want to start here, right behind this gentleman, that kind of goes over all the history.
Okay.
All the people that used to work here on that board.
Okay.
Kind of the different things throughout the years that we've done.
Okay.
All of our old packaging and all that kind of stuff.
And your product lines are out here as well as back here on the shelf.
Yeah. And where did you come up with the name Hanover?
Revonah is Hanover spelled backwards.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
He knows that.
Only the living in Hanover.
So on Tuesdays and Wednesdays we used to do our hard pretzels.
Okay,
so that's
cool.
what they're doing now.
Okay, these are the hard pretzels. Wow, they're okay. Yeah, they're nice and small.
Yep.
They're not like your soft pretzels, which are larger.
Yep.
And it looks like you have a rotating oven back there.
Yeah,
is that right.
Yep, we've been using that oven the whole time. It's
Okay.
a hard-based oven. We use all of our pretzels for that.
Wow.
Yeah.
So soft and hard go in there, and your little other sticks and everything.
And our sweets, that's right. And then after the pretzels come out, we put them in the kiln overnight. They have to sit there.
Hey, doing well. Love what you guys did with the door out front.
Sure.
I love what you did with the door.
Oh.
The brown and the, I don't know who had the idea to put the salt on, but that was
Kevin.
okay.
So those are the hard pretzels. It's a bit of a process.
Right.
You know, we do those in regular, dark, extra salt, light salt. These one of our new guys. These pretzels are pretty good.
All right. How long does it take you to get the hang of that?
I'll let you know.
Good answer.
You get the hang of it, but it's the speed to do it. I can't do it as fast as
Right.
people have been here about.
Okay. All right. So these are the hard pretzels you guys are working on.
Yes, sir.
And are these still hard pretzels here, right?
These are all hard pretzels. Yep.
Okay.
We do our soft ones earlier in the morning.
Wow, all handmade too. That's awesome.
Right.
And you've got your dough mixer back here, it looks like.
Yup.
Do you have any of your formulas up on the walls? No?
It's all top secret.
It's all top secret, so.
This is our fancy machine we use to slice our rolls, our sandwiches.
All right, like a bagel slicer
That's
almost.
right,
It looks
that gets
like,
a lot of action.
Yeah. All right, well, super. Well, thank you so much for that tour. I'm just going to go out here and review the history a little bit, and then we'll go with that.
Definitely touch up on all the history. It's all the fun stuff.
Okay.
Been in business for over 88 years.
88 years here.
The guy that owns it now is Kevin. You've met him before?
Okay.
Kevin's owned it for about 20 some years, I'd say.
Wow. Okay, awesome.
I don't believe so. Everything we have for the shirts is out there.
It'll punch.
These are the employees that have worked here before, and I guess their time frames. So this is a real gem in Hanover. A lot of folks don't even realize it's here because of the location. It's behind in an alley. But I tell you what, if you ever find your way to Hanover and you want a decent pretzel, this is the place to go. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.